Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got a brand new unboxing for you guys. Alrighty guys, so yes, from the box you should be able to tell already what this is. This is the Air Jordan 4 Craft Olives. Now on the box you're going to get the Flight logo with that pale vanilla Jumpman. Box is also textured, if you can see that. It almost looks like a water print almost, or kind of like a speckling effect. It is pretty cool, especially the way the light hits it. It's a pretty cool, unique box. All over that olive color. Label reads Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Craft, and colorway is medium olive pale vanilla. Now, the size that I got is a size 12 in men's. Air Jordan 4s, to me, they do fit. I could probably wear an 11.5, which is my true size. However, they just fit a little bit tight, and personally, they're just a little bit more uncomfortable. So to go up a half a size for a little bit of extra, room in the toe box and stuff like that, I don't know if I recommend it. I haven't even tried these on yet, so don't know how exactly the crafts do fit, because they are made out of a couple different materials. However, I usually go with a size 12 in my Air Jordan 4s. Now, when you open up the box, you are going to get also greeted with that speckling print on the paper. And then, as you open them up, you get to the shoes. Now, right off the bat, guys, I am going to tell you right now, okay, these materials on this pair of Jordans is phenomenal. Now, there is a couple different textures and finishes going on with this Air Jordan 4. This is the second craft version. The first version was that like light gray and pale vanilla, and then this is the olive and pale vanilla. Now, the first Air Jordan crafts was the exact same construction as this. I'm going to throw up an image on the screen right here. It's just a different colorway. This is obviously olive, has hits of, the white midsole, the black on the outsole. And basically, everything else is just a different material of the olive, and then you have hits of pale vanilla throughout the sneaker. Now, I will tell you guys that this is actually the only pair of Air Jordan 4s that I currently own. I know I have sold a lot of my Air Jordan 4s. So I previously had the Thunder 4s, the Red Thunder 4s. I also had the Infrared 4s. I also had the military blacks and the military blue Air Jordan 4s as well. I ended up, however, selling all of my Air Jordan 4s. I don't know, man. Like I said, they are a little bit uncomfortable to wear in my personal opinion. However, when I did see these things and the images surfacing online throughout this colorway, and not only the colorway but the materials, I had to pull the trigger, mainly because this is my favorite color, that army green, hunter green, or olive green in this case. So let us hop right into the review, guys. So number one thing to note, first off, you do not get any extra set of laces with these guys. At least I don't see any. Yeah, you only get one pair of laces, which is the olive green, that come pre-laced in here already. Other than that, let us get into it. So first off, you're going to get some nubucks, you're going to get some suede, and you're going to get a little bit of cracked leather as well as the old plastic pull tab that is standard on an Air Jordan 4, except for the Nike SB Air Jordan 4s, which was a rubber pull tab. Now, another thing to note as well is you do not get the standard plastic netting along the upper of the sneaker, as well as on the tongue. Instead, you're going to get this ribbing or knit type of suede material. It is a little bit of a different material, as you can tell right there. And also on the tongue, on the bottom of the tongue right here as well. You can definitely tell it is not that standard Air Jordan 4 netting that we usually see. Now, one other difference that you will note on here, as opposed to the standard Air Jordan 4 construction, is you also are going to get this little patch or little leather accent piece right there in that suede. You're gonna get that on both the right and the left, so there's that one right there, and then on the left shoe you're gonna get the same exact version. So then going to the toe box, you can get this really nice nubuck. You can actually tell that the nubuck does have a little bit of brush stroke motion going on the toe box. Nice press test. It is a pretty soft nubuck. And then also you are going to get the hairy suede olive color wrapped all around the toe guard, as well as going around to the medial side. It's going to run all the way up the eye stays as well. As you can see, that hairy suede. Really, really nice quality materials, like I had previously stated. They did a really phenomenal job with this craft series as far as the Air Jordan 4 goes. Also going to get the hairy suede over on the tongue with the black patch and the white flight lettering with that pale vanilla Jumpman. I do think that that looks pretty nice right there. And then you're also going to get behind the tag right here, you're going to get the Air Jordan. I can't even tell if that's pale vanilla or if it's white. You obviously get the little tag back in the back of the tongue. Tongue is made of a nice plush suede, and then the back of the tongue is just lined with the standard Air Jordan 4 sock liner. That is going to be in black. I'll show you guys that right there. Inside on the insole, you're just going to get a standard black insole with that pale vanilla Jumpman on the inside right there. Going over to the eye stays as well, you are going to get the plastic little lacelets right here at the top where the wings are. However, this black wing, okay, on both sides is actually, it looks like to be a nice cracked leather. Hopefully you're able to tell that on camera. Trying to get a nice up close detailed shot for you right there. It is also on that side as well. Really, like I said, really nice materials and textures that they used for this craft series. That's another reason why, honestly, I really wanted to pull the trigger. Now, we're going to get into resell in just a second. But yeah, that's another reason why I wanted to purchase these things, because I knew that the materials were going to be top-notch, just like the other craft series for the Air Jordan 4. That was the same exact materials as this. And honestly, it's just a really nice quality sneaker right here. When you come to the midsole, you're going to get the nice clear white, not a sail, but it is going to be a nice bright white midsole. You're going to get the Air Jordan, a little air unit bubble right there. You're going to have the white inside of the air bubble like usual. And then going over to the back of the heel tab, you're going to get the plastic heel tab with that pale vanilla Air Jordan Jumpman right there. Really nice. And then hitting over to the outsole, you're going to get a little bit of a different variation. You're going to get a little bit of gray, black, pale vanilla, white, and then another pale vanilla hit on the Jumpman right here. As you can tell, like I said, I personally actually really do like the look of the Air Jordan 4 outsole. It is probably one of my favorite looking outsoles in an Air Jordan silhouette. So guys, now the portion of the video where we are going to talk about resell. So, not everybody's favorite topic. However, I think it's important to note the current state of the sneaker community. Now, I know that all you guys are going to be commenting in the comment section below without watching this entire video up until this point. So, if you didn't, then you missed out, and I'm not even going to respond to you guys. However, yes, sure, maybe I'm using a little bit of clickbait saying that these things are sitting. However, they are sitting. You can literally walk into a Finish Line, JD Sports, Foot Locker, and Champ Sports, or literally right now on release date, and go grab your size. How do I know that? Because I picked up my pair from Finish Line. I did win the in-store exclusive access when it did go out earlier this week. So I went to my local Finish Line and I went to go pick up my pair from the mall. They had them already out on display, and I had already spoke to one of the sales representatives, and they did say that they have a lot of quantity, and not only quantity, but pairs that are not going to be claimed, so they are going to be sitting on shelves. And to further prove the point that these things are actually sitting, you can literally go onto a multitude of websites right now and currently cop these things. You can go on Nike.com, Sneakers app, I believe Hibbett, Foot Locker, Finish Line online. You can even use your status, because in-store they don't even let you use your status. So you can actually go online right now, use your status coupon, and get these things for under retail. Now, is that a bad thing? Absolutely not. It's not a bad thing, because if you are a sneakerhead and you love shoes, then this is the perfect time to buy. I don't know how many times I gotta tell you guys this. In this current climate and, economy, sneaker culture, and stuff like that, things are not going to sell out instantly like they used to. They are going to sit. You are going to have multiple chances to cop really good quality Jordan retros for either retail or in most cases below retail. I love it. I mean, listen, buy what you like. Always buy what you like. Don't let anybody influence you in whether or not you should buy a sneaker based off of hype. That's not how this works. It's just a shoe at the end of the day. So obviously you can buy what you like and wear what you like. I am able to get these sneakers, also review them for you guys. Now, I'm not making any money on my YouTube channel yet. However, we are going to get there. But I do like to just showcase the different Jordan retros, you know, that are currently out. I like to put out content for you guys so you're able to see up close detailed shots before you do make your purchase. And whether or not this helps you make your buying decision is one of the main reasons I even make this content, as well as I just enjoy it. I love sneakers, I love the community, so on and so forth. So yeah, guys, so if you did like this video, please make sure you guys are smashing the like button. Please subscribe around here if you are new to the channel, because like I said, we are trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of this year, and I really believe that we can do it. And with all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan, me and the Air Jordan 4 Craft Olive. We're out. Peace.